What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is my weekly Road to 1000 update, but I'm also going to answer some questions about some things from previous videos while I'm here. And don't be mad because I'm giving an update on my Road to 1000. Listen, you just got 3 videos, almost 60 minutes in length. And to sit here and watch a 10-minute video, consider it like this. You're sitting in front of your TV and you're getting like 9 minutes of commercials for every half-hour program. So this is actually a pretty good deal. And as always, you don't have to watch this if you don't want. You can click off. Go do something else. Go watch one of my other videos. Go to my Make Money with Dave channel and go watch those. And subscribe. Do something. Anything. And while you're at it, get me a coffee. I could really use a coffee. Anyway. But I do want to give you an update. First of all, if you've already donated, you received an email earlier today, I hope. If not, check your spam folders. And it's going to have some pictures in there exclusively for people who donate. Okay, these are pictures that are not, at least 2 of them are not going to be shown even on my blog here. Okay, because I'm trying to give something back to the people who support this, because it's very important to me. And when you donate, I realize it's important to you also, and it means a lot to me and a lot to the students. So you should have gotten that email. And if you haven't donated, go ahead and donate, and I'll go ahead and I'll send a separate email just to you and include the pictures so that you can see. And in the future, I'm also going to be giving you exclusive videos sent to your email if you're a donator. That's not going to be on any of my YouTube channels or on my blog either. These are going to be just for you, little insights and little things to let you know how everything's going. So if you haven't, go ahead and do that. The links are down below to my website. You'll come to this page. There's also a donate button down below. It will all go to the same place for donations to support free education in Cambodia. I want to see those 20 or those 15 seats we have left. I want to see them filled as quickly as possible, and I do appreciate it, whether you think I do or not. And if you have any questions, come here and go to the FAQ page, read about what we're doing in our mission page, and all that good stuff. Now, as you can see down here, I do have a new blog post. If you haven't read it, come over here and read it. I put a lot of thought into these before I write them. And I always like when people read what I write, like any writer. I want people to read it and have a reaction to it, whether it's a good reaction or a bad reaction. You know, I like that. But if you don't feel like it, like I said, the donation button is down below and it will go to the same spot. But if you go in here and read my article, at the bottom of each of these articles will be a donation button. You can do it that way as well. Also, I wanted you to know that I have a new page on top for products and offers. These are just things. Some are free. Some cost money. You might be interested in some of these. You might be interested in none of them. It's okay. This isn't an advertisement to get you to buy anything or click or sign up for anything. But if you're interested in any of these products, I would appreciate it if you click them from my page, because all the money I make, all the commissions from these products will go directly back into the Road to 1000. This and one-time donations, if somebody can't donate monthly and just want to give one donation, all that's going to offset when people can't or don't donate every month. Because remember, this is not an automatic rebilling every month. So that's why I like to send emails a couple days before and let people know, the new cycle has started, and if you could get your donations in in the next couple days, that would be great. I like to keep you up to date. So because it doesn't automatically happen, some people might forget, some people might not read the email, some people might not be able to donate in a certain month, and that's fine. So all the one-offs, all the one-time donations, and the things that people buy from this page, and I'm going to be adding things as they come. This page will be updated a couple times a week with new offers. But all of that, and any money I make from this will go back into the road to 1,000. As you can see, I have three of my own design t-shirts. You can just click on any of them and go to the page and purchase them. Many colors and sizes to choose from. I got my Dave Does Cambodia, my coffee and dogs. If you like coffee and dogs, there you go. And travel more. Very simple, but it says a lot, right? I also got things like fighting hair loss for men. If you want plump lips, if you want joint pain relief for your pets, for your dog or cat, this is a good product. If you're worried about stretch marks, there's a product for you. Here's a free game you can download, one of those mobile farming games. Books. If you want to learn to sing like a pro, this program is actually really well reviewed. You might want to check it out. If you're a gamer, you can come to this site, and this one's free to sign up. You play free online games, collect soul gems. When you collect 500, you can use them for real rewards for other games and services like on Steam and other platforms. Back to school, I got a survey for just adults. Don't worry, no naked people on here. Just a survey, 5 questions if you're into that. No judgments. And the flat belly fix if you want to lose weight. It's the number 1 product on the internet to lose weight safely. You probably heard of it because it's really blowing up. I mean, a lot of people are talking about it. So I got that page going on. And of course, our mission page. And we'll see how long this is going to take because my internet, of course, is not the best. That's all right. But here we go. And if you want to share this, like some people have, thank you, Jimmy. I saw your post on Facebook. I appreciate it. This would be the page I would want you to share because they can come watch my little, 45-second slideshow. It gives all the information on what we're trying to do. And then if they have any more questions, of course, the FAQ page and all that. Okay, so that's my update on my road to 1,000. See, that was kind of painless, wasn't it? Quick and painless. But I also want to tell you about my channel, Make Money with Dave over here. This is my second YouTube channel. I've only got 42 subscribers, which is pretty good. I only had 37 last night. I don't know what happened. This video, seemed to get more views. Maybe that was it. Maybe people liked it. Hopefully. But anyway, if you want to come over here and show it some love, learn some things, maybe make some extra money online, I would recommend this for you. But the thing I really want to talk about is this. I mentioned the other day I wanted to go live on YouTube. And then somebody said, well, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, they thought, to go live. And they were right, and they were also wrong. And I found this to let you know. YouTube imposed new restrictions on users. To be able to live stream on mobile, your channel will need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Now, of course, this person said, why YouTube did that? What is the reason to limit creators that are using mobile devices? And of course, people answer the way the internet does. They just keep raising the bar so no one can enjoy doing anything on this platform. I'm hanging it up. And he'll be back on tomorrow. Trust me. Fine work, YouTube. Way to screw people. Blah, blah, blah. But here's the answer I want to get to from a Google employee. Okay. Team YouTube. We're regularly reevaluating our eligibility requirements and decided to raise the threshold for live streaming on mobile. Creators who have less than 1,000 subscribers will still be able to live stream through desktop and webcam. So I don't have to find another platform. We are absolutely good to go because I am going to be using my desktop here. Well, actually, it's a laptop, but it's considered the same thing. So yes, I will be able to live stream. Leave me a comment. Let me know when, what time you want to do this, what time is best for you in your area. I'll try to figure out all the time zones from here in Cambodia. And I'll just stay up really early in the morning and just live stream until everybody gets tired of hearing my voice and then decides to leave. But that way you can get some live answers to any questions you might have, or you can just stop in and say hi. I always like seeing the same familiar faces. I always appreciate you guys watching and leaving me nice comments and, all that stuff. I really do appreciate you. I do. And I want to try to do more things on this channel for you guys. So that's why I thought maybe live streaming once a month or maybe even twice a month, internet gods willing, might be a nice way just everybody to get together. Because I know sometimes people will leave comments and some of my other subscribers will leave them comments, even though they don't interact outside of that. And that's awesome. It should be a community. It should be, like-minded people. But this will get us all in here. We can all be in the chat together, get to know one another, and all be friends, which is always awesome. And Mr. Robert, yes, tomorrow. I know I've been procrastinating. I still have to go to the cinema. I still have a cinema video to make. I still have to go around to some apartments and show one of my subscribers different prices and different amenities inside these apartments. I'm going to do that. And yes, I still have to go to the pharmacy to make sure you can get the proper medicine and the proper dosage. And tomorrow I will go to one and tell you what I find out in the next video or two. I promise. Okay? Sorry, I've been procrastinating. I have been busy. But I'll get it done. I'll get it all done. Sometimes it just takes me longer. Remember, I'm old. Give me a break. All right. That's all I wanted to say. See, this wasn't bad. Donate if you can. And I really hope you want to, because whether it's one person sending $1,000 a month or 1,000 people sending $1 a month, it's all the same. We can teach all 20 students. And if people leave, they move, their life circumstances change, there are plenty of backups available. We talk to people every day who ask, how can I join this free the free English classes? And I have single I talk to them because mainly they don't know much English, and I hope she's telling them the right thing. As soon as we get more sponsors, we'll be around every day. So, we'll figure it out. All right. I will talk to you guys in the next one. And thank you again. I appreciate you all.